government of Goa for making a mockery of the constitution stands out. On national media yesterday has not carried that the High Court's order has only been upheld. The issue is about the mockery of the constitution. The State Election Commissioner and State Election Commission's office becoming an inward and outward office of the government ruling party. This has not been exposed, in short. Now, the issue relates to 5 municipal councils. But there are another 6 municipal councils which are going to polls. Some of them also having the same issues of reservation of women which are less than the mandated 33%. Or of the OBCs. जे issues ह्या 5 म्युनिसिपल काउन्सिलांक लागतात ते दुसऱ्या म्युनिसिपल काउन्सिलांनी काढले ना आणि काढले ना म्हणून ती they will come in the ambit of the High Court order. And those elections are going on. And those elections are slated to be held on the 20th of March. Ata when it comes to election matters, the convention in the election commission, whatever the matters relating to elections, there is one book called How India Votes. This is by S.K. Mendiratam. Now this book, the 4th edition of the book, called How India Votes, is an authoritative book which is recognized or accepted by the Election Commission of India. It is written by the legal advisor of the Election Commission of India and the Delimitation Commission, former Election Commissioner of Afghanistan and the Principal Secretary and Director Law of the Election Commission of India. Now this book relates to the Model Code of Conduct. And the Model Code of Conduct to ensure fair play and a level playing field. Mainly fair play and level playing field. So free and fair election under the constitutional mandate asa under 243K. ताजेर अशें जाता की especially page 940, I will give it to you. It speaks about phase-wise polling at different places. आज जाल्ले कितें आहा सगळी म्युनिसिपल काउन्सिलाची इलेक्शनां एक बरोबर जावपाची आशिल्ली. तातूंत 5 एफेक्टेड लोक हायकोर्टा फुडें गेले आनी 5 इलेक्शनां फुडें पडली. सो चालू आसा. म्हणटकर 2 फेजींनी म्युनिसिपल इलेक्शन जाता गोंयांत. आज असो सारांश तुमच्यान घेवं येता. So the underlying object of having phase-wise polling is that results of elections in one place should not influence and leave a bandwagon effect. This is the exact word used, bandwagon effect, on the trend of voting in other places, which are yet to go to the polls. So in other words, if the elections are held on 20th March, in the other 6 municipal councils, including the CCP, and the results are declared, then it is likely to have a bandwagon effect on other polls. Similar considerations are kept to fix counting programs whenever it comes to multiple phases. Simultaneous counting programs are used. Counting is taken up after completion of the poll in the entire state, or as the case may be. म्हळ्यार सगळी म्युनिसिपल काउन्सिलाची इलेक्शनां जावन मागीर ताजें काउंटिंग बरोबर करप. पयलीं करप ना. पयलीं केल्यार हें बँडवॅगन इफेक्ट जातलो. सो So if you apply this same principle of results of one phase of municipal councils, not to have a bandwagon effect on the trend of voting in the 5 municipal councils where we are concerned, my demand is that State Election Commissioner, presently it is headless, the government should appoint a State Election Commission, impartial State Election Commission as mandated by the Supreme Court immediately. And the polls scheduled either postpone the elections to be held on 20th March or have the results of this election together. So the counting should be only after the elections of the 5 municipal councils is over. If the government does not accede to this legitimate request, which I am going to put in writing to the State Election Commission, and it will prove that it is not wanting to maintain a level playing field, and it wants to bulldoze its way, as in the past, for which there have been scathing remarks on it in the Supreme Court order. We will have to be constrained to move the court or a higher appellate body. We have to see that the spirit of the Election Commission of India's Model Code of Conduct is not violated by the government of Goa or the State Election Commission, which till now has been a inward and outward counter or a postman of the state government. If they don't accede to my demand, then they will be continuing with the mockery of the Constitution, which has been pointed out by the Supreme Court. And whatever I am saying, basically the mockery of the Constitution which I am stressing on is part of the court order. So equity of the court order comes, this issue which I am raising of simultaneous results includes the equity of the court order. So this is my demand, and for which I will write a letter to the State Election Commission with specific reference to the State of Goa versus Fauzia Sheikh, SLP number 3937 of 2021. आता लिंगा लेटर बोलतो सरकाराक इतलेच सांगूंक सोदता कसलेय स्टेटमेंट करचे पयलीं की विचार करून करात. Now you are under the lens of the Supreme Court of this country. You have got a knockout punch. Yesterday, Chief Minister has wanted a pat on the back, got a slap on the face. अशे सिच्युएशनान हांव जो डिमांड करता हाजेर विचार करून उलोवची. टटकन कितें आमी करतले आनी कितें जालें जाल्यार परतें गोंयचें नांव दिल्ली व्हरून पेड्ड्यार करपाक आमकां लावनाकात. इतलोच म्हजो तांकां रिक्वेस्ट. And this will apply to all elections, including the Zilla election that is being held. ताजोय result पयलीं करून मेळचो ना. Because the principle of the Model Code of Conduct, bulldozing, bandwagon effect, one result should not influence the electoral prospects of others. This is the underlying principle, which should not be diluted. Thank you. It's a principle. आता तशें इलेक्शन जर जाल्लें एज पर द ओल्ड रिजर्वेशन आमी पडटाले अशें दिसता तुका. आमी पडनासले. ऑन द कॉन्ट्ररी म्हजे जे कॅन्डिडेट आहा ते आतां घुसपले न्ही कितें रिजर्वेशन जातलें सगळे घुसपले आहा. म्हणून द कॉन्स्टिट्युशन इज सुप्रीम. नरेंद्र मोदीन ताच्या माथेन तेकून 2019 आपली पावर परती घेतली सेकंड टर्म. ते कॉन्स्टिट्युशन प्रमोद सावंतान पांयां घालें पळय. हे भशेन मेळावळीच्या लोकांक माड्डयले तशें कॉन्स्टिट्युशनाकूय माड्डयले ताणें. सो ते कॉन्स्टिट्युशनाक माड्डूंक जायना. हें सरकाराचे तुगेले नासपाक जाय. आनीक हे करतना असली दादागिरी जी उलयतात ना आमी कितें जाल्यार आमी इलेक्शन जिखतले हें म्हाका दिसता इवन तांची सेंट्रल लिडरशीप कितले कोताक येता ते तांणी चॅक करूंक जाय. सो विथ ऑल ह्युमिलिटी दे हॅव टू एक्सेप्ट वॉट द सुप्रीम कोर्ट हॅज टोल्ड यू. डोंट डू दादागिरी ऑन दॅट ऑल्सो. डोंट लेट वन फॉल्ट एक फट पोचोवपाक आनी 100 फटी मारप आनी आनी शापाला उडोवप. This will be more embarrassing for the future for the ruling party. I have spoken to the Election Commission of India. They say that this book by Mendi Rata, How India Votes, is the Bible, Gita and Quran for them. They go by this. In this, I will read to you. They talk about phase-wise polling. 940 page. In a countrywide general election to the House of People, the poll in various states and union territories is taken in several phases, and counting of votes is taken up after the polling is completed in all the phases. The underlying object of doing so is that the results of election in one state may not influence and have a bandwagon effect on the trend of voting in other states which are yet to go to the polls. What are the principle? Similar considerations are kept in view while fixing the counting program for the general election to the state legislative assemblies, whether held in one state or in other states simultaneously. Counting of votes is taken up after the completion of the poll in the entire state, or as the case may be in all states concerned. Previously, the Election Commission used to permit counting on the day immediately following the last date of poll in all constituencies. In some cases, the counting of votes was started even on such last date of poll itself, though the results or trends of counting were not permitted to be announced or leaked out till the close of the poll in the constituencies which are going to the polls on that day. In recent years, however, the Election Commission has been keeping a margin of another 1 or 2 days after the last date of poll for the purpose of holding re-polls wherever necessary. So they are even making a provision for re-polls before taking up the counting of votes, so that even the re-polls may not be affected by the results of election in other constituencies. For example, at the 2014 general election to the House of People, the poll was scheduled to be example of the So this principle applies. And when you are talking about mockery of constitution, 243K comes in the picture. So the Supreme Court has mandated a free and fair elections. So this State Election Commission, as envisaged under Article 243K of the Constitution, should exercise its powers of superintendence and control over the conduct of elections under Article 243ZA of the Constitution and declare the results of the 11 municipal council elections on the very same day. Now, one nation, one election also issue different. One nation, one election state issues fall to the are relegated to the background. India is a union of states. India one nation, one aim. Bandwagon effect जाय ना. Southern, northern कितली व्हडली स्वीप केले southern मार्क खातात न्ही. एंट्रीच जायना मरे BJP ची. येदो व्हडलो बोवाळ मारून म्युनिसिपालिटी इलेक्शन हैदराबादची केली. कितें जालें तें? सगळे मंत्री बिंत्री गेल्ले मरे. सो तसो bandwagon effect जायना. ते southern ताका व्हडले केअर करना. आदले नॉर्थांतल्यान सकयल पावनात ते. Beyond Karnataka, other than defections, they cannot gain power. So हांगाय बी म्हाका दिसता गोंयांत ते तांकां नाशिल्लेंच. हें आतां खंयच्यान तरी तांकां स्वार्थ लागल्या. ती आतां अशी तरी एक्सपोज जाली. जाल्यार तांकां आतां कळून येतलें की दादागिरी करून इलेक्शन जिखूंक शकना म्हणून. आनी म्हाका खबर ना दुसऱ्या पक्षांची But if they don't agree to this, we will take this up.
Besides this, आज गिरीशाने एक statement केलं होतं तो विचारलं if anyone wants to defeat BJP, join Congress.
Girish is irrelevant. See, गिरीशाचे पडते उलोवप म्हणजे तेजे नांवच घेवप म्हणजे वेस्ट ऑफ टायम. तो कॉन्ट्रॅक्टाचेर आसा दिसता. ताका जे बीजेपीक मार बसला तर ताणें ऑर्डर दिली आसतली हो स्टेटमेंट काड. आनी कितें सांगलो ताका? Which person in his right state of mind will make a statement against the united opposition when the BJP is getting a beating? Somebody who is only a guided missile. Nobody else can make the statement. And for me to join or not join or what I should do is my decision. I am an independent political party. Girish Chodolkar has not won anything more than a municipal election, which he won because of me that time in 1994. कसले खोबरे सांगता तो? ताका हें आयलें आसतलें, कूय आयलें आसतलें, आनी एक इलेक्शन आनी एक FD करपाक. परते ताजें केन्नाच विसरना जालां म्हाका. Especially those who are holding temporary charge. See, many people are holding, they are like on contract basis. Their contract gets revalidated because of the negligence or because of the carelessness of the high command to make a new person. So it is pending. आता तामिळनाडूचे इलेक्शन मेरेन इश्यू तांचो पेंडिंग आसतलो. त्या मनशाक तो स्टेटमेंट काडटलो आनी थंयच्यान कलेक्शन करीत रावतलो.
So when you speak of Congress,
I am speaking to the Congress legislature party leader. Even the persons who of theirs who have come from the center are talking to us. Let them deny that they are not talking to me. Ask the Goa observers who are coming to say that they have not talked to me. Or that they are not interested to have an alliance with us. Let them say it. परते काँग्रेसीन आनी कोणे जर असले काडले तांकां रिजल्ट ह्या म्युनिसिपल इलेक्शनानूच मेळटलो हें सांगपाक हांव भिना. सो ती फकाणां करनाकात. This is a message to their other leadership which comes and talks to us. You better rein in these fellows because these guys are mercenaries. They are on the contract basis of the BJP government. And जर परते म्हाका काडपाचें नाका. ताणें तकली वापरूंक जाय आशिल्ली असले इश्यूज काडपाक. नॅशनल पार्टीनी हें करपाक जाय. Election Commission of India's office is in Delhi, not in Fatarda. So they should have been taking this up. Their lawyers should have been taking this up, saying it is a violation of the model code of conduct. This is not for me, a regional party, to talk about national issues and bring it to the fore here. They are not doing their job and they are working for the BJP. That's what they are doing. Because they are getting a monthly stipend from them, perhaps. Nothing else. ते सांगूनी मला दिगंबराक ना म्हणून. ना ना दिगंबराक सांगूनी ना म्हणून. कित्याक स्कोप खूब आहा अजून. सोपूंक ना अजून शो. पिक्चराचो ट्रेलर सुरवात जाता तेन्ना. हांव गोंयचे जनतेक सांगूंक सोदतां ही जी नाटकां जाता पळय ही सारकी तकलेंत दवरात. मागीर म्हणटात कळ्ळें तुका न्ही. हें पयलें वॉर्निंग दिता हांव काँग्रेस पार्टीक. फकाणां करनाकात न्हू. तांचें कांय ना न्ही. तांच्यान सादे मनशाक अनअपोज्ड इलेक्शन करपाक पावना. आमी जर ही केस सारकी धरून लागून करना जाल्यार जे कितें एडवान्स तांकां दिल्ले तातूंत तांचें काम जाल्लें. आमचे खातीर ते एडवान्स गेले तांचे. सो पयलीं 500 रुपयाचे फॉर्म घालून त्या मनशाक दवरुपाचें गिरीशाक काम करून सांग. गिरीश हॅज द रिकॉर्ड ऑफ पुटींग कॅन्डिडेट्स हू देन विड्रॉ. दिस हॅज हॅपन्ड इन जिल्ला. He has the record. And many candidates of theirs are chosen by the BJP. Rohan Gaute has told me that the Zilla candidates were chosen by Michael Lobo. Let Rohan deny this and let Michael Lobo deny it. कितें उलयतात खबर बेकार उलयतात टायम पास मेळटा कोणाचें घेता आनी कितें हांवें आयकून घेतलें. कसलो प्रेसिडेंट रे खंयचो प्रेसिडेंट. मागीर तो खलापानी हाका कित्याक जाल्लो बुजगावणी ती तो रेजिनाल्ड कित्याक घाल्लो कसली मेंबरशीप फोटो काडपाची उबे रावन हांव आनी कांय उलयना चड म्हजे कडेन उलोवंक घेवनाका वी आर टॉकिंग कॉन्स्टिट्युशनल पॉयंट्स वी आर नॉट टॉकिंग अबाउट अ फेल्ड कॅन्डिडेट हू इज अ डिसग्रेस टू द पार्टी हियर हू हॅज मेड इट वर्स दॅन अ यूथ काँग्रेस ताजो स्पोक्समॅन बीजेपीन जॉयन जाला आनी दिगंबराचेर चडटा दिगंबराक डिफेंड करपाक गिरीश न्हिदला आनी आतां आमकां खबर सांगूंक आयला ताजो स्पोक्समॅन बीजेपीचो स्पोक्समॅन जाला मडगांवां येता आनी दिगंबराचेर फार मारता हा तें डिफेंड करूंक जायना म्हणटा कशें उलयता खबर यो म्हूण सांग मरे ताका तें आगाचें कितें एफडी कलेक्ट करपाक आसता फातोर्डा आमी भिना आमकां असलें आमी जाणा सगळे असली लास्ट मिनीट आतां पळय आय हॅव ऑलवेज बीन टेलिंग यू बीजेपी कॅनॉट विन द इलेक्शन विदाउट चिटींग वाय बिकॉज इन द हाईट ऑफ देअर पॉप्युलरिटी दे गॉट 31% votes 31% votes तर एक सायडीन मेळटा जाल्यार 69% votes दुसरे सायडीन आहा तो 69% डिवायड करचे पडले सो ती नॅशनल टॅक्नीक आहा ती आनी काँग्रेस मुक्त भारतान ते इन्वेस्ट करतात तातूंत असले आहा काँग्रेसमॅन असले लोक जर उरले जाल्यार कोण येवचेच ना न्ही आमी येवपाचें सोडून ताजो समाजूच सोडून गेलो म्हणटा आनी ताणें तिकेटी दिल्ल्यो कसले खबऱ्यो उलयता ताका सगळे आशिल्ले ते कोण केले ते थंयच्यान रिजिग्नेशन दिताले आनी काँग्रेस ऑफिसाक फॅक्स धाडटाले काँग्रेस ऑफिस रिसिप्ट म्हणून ताका फॅक्स पडते धाडटाले हा ना म्हूण सांगचें म्हाका सुभाष शिरोडकराच्या टायमार विचार आनी सोपतेच्या टायमार कोणें धाडिल्लें तें सो दीस पीपल आर देयर टू फॅसिलिटेट दे आर सेफ एक्झिट एंड दे आर setting them up in the BJP and they then keep them on their stipend monthly salary आमकां सांगूंक जाय खबर जॉईन जा आनी कितें जाता काय हें जावं बूथ वर्कर जावं गिरिजाचो बॅनर लावपाक फाल्यां ताणें केन्ना काँग्रेसीक मत मारलां न्ही हांव जाल्यार 10 वर्सां मागूंक जालें काँग्रेसीचे कॅन्डिडेटान मडगांवांत फातोर्डान काँग्रेसीक मत मारलां गेल्या 10 वर्सां कितें उलयता कसल्यो खबरो सांगता पूण काँग्रेसीकूच कातरुच्या न्ही ही वस्त बीजेपीकूय ट्रू आहा अशें किरण खानोलकार म्हणटा तांकां सोडचें न्ही फाल्यां तुमी म्हणपाक लागचे हांव बीजेपीक लागीं ना अशें कितें थंय आहा तें दुयेंस contagious thing. It is like the virus. You know, we have to get rid of these viruses first. In politics, this is a big virus. एक कडेन राहून सभ्य म्हणून दाखोवन एक एक्सपर्टाइज घेवप इलेक्शनां पडपाक आनी देन टेक द हाय मोरल ग्राउंड शीट आमी रावले सामके निश्ठावान पूण आमी इलेक्शन पडलें पडत आसलो कितली पडप ती आमकां कितले वर्सां पडप ती सो दे मेड इट अ बिजनस टू टेक द काँग्रेस टिकेट एंड लूज द इलेक्शन आनी आमकां सांगतात जॉईन जा हें जा तें जा अरे कोण जॉईन जातलो हांगा हांचे आहा ते सोडून वतात मरे आमकां हांचे कोण सोडून वतात कितले वचपाचे आहा आमी थंय कितें एसेंब्लीन बोवाळ घालता म्हणून उरल्या नाजाल्यार ते वचपाचे खबर म्हाका तें उलोवपाक नाका हाजेर सरकाराक सांग हे स्टेट इलेक्शन कमिशनाचें मुखेलमंत्र्यान कित्याक इट इज नाव हेडलेस चिकन तें जें हें आहा पळय कितें तें स्टेट इलेक्शन कमिशन कॉन्स्टिट्युशनल बॉडी काल सांजे ताणें काडूंक जाय आशिल्लो ते चोकाराम गर्गाक तो कितें वतना कितें कोफुलांव करून वचूंक शकता लज ना आमकां वचून रावले वी हॅव नॉट रेड द ऑर्डर वी हॅव नॉट सगळे व्हायरल जाले ऑर्डर सोशल मिडियाचेर सगळे लोक वाचतात सारकी पेजीस खंयचे पॅराग्राफ वाचा ते सांगतात आज मेरेन ताणी रिप्लेस करूंक जाय आशिल्लो ताका आनी उत्तर ताणें दिवंक जाय म्हाका ताणें जर दिवप तो जर दिना जाल्यार मुखेलमंत्र्यान दिवंक जाय डेमोक्रेसी इज रिस्टोर्ड म्हणून सांगतालो तो मुखेलमंत्री आतां खंय गोलीन गेलो दिसता दिश्टीच पडना ताच्यान हा आनी तस न्ही हर्ट्स व्हॅली पावयता काल डेमोक्रेसीची हर्ट्स व्हॅनान घालून पावयली गोंयांत आज हर्ट्स व्हॅली वाडटात लोकशाही गोंयांत फूल पॅकेज करून हर्ट्स व्हॅनान घाल्ली सुप्रीम कोर्टान सारवार केली आनी आज हर्ट्स व्हॅली वाटप लागला